Hello students, and you have made it to the final week of Income Tax Accounting 1. Again, we are looking at our D2L homepage as it stands today, and you will notice that I've posted up some documents here, but I will touch on that later. So let's scroll down and look at the calendar as I always do. Today is Monday, October 14th, so it's the last day of week 4. So you've got until midnight tonight to get any last minute response posts and to get all your assignments done over in Connect. So for week 5, you've got until this Friday, the 18th, to make your original post. And then the last day of class is next Monday, the 21st. So you'll need to get all of your discussion posts in by then, as well as all of your assignments. If you need additional time on any of your assignments, let me know before the deadline, and we'll see if we can work out a little bit of extra time. But I have a deadline to get final grades in as well, so any additional time I grant will have to be prior to my deadlines. So let's scroll back up here, and we will look at week 5. In week 5, we're going to look at businesses. We've been focusing a lot on individual tax returns, but we're going to look at business deductions and then some requirements for deducting business expenses. And then we're going to look at some different accounting methods that businesses can use. Now, our reading for the week is chapter 9. So we only have the one chapter this week. Over in our discussion here. In our discussion, our case involves an attorney who has hired an assistant this year, so this will be something new on her tax return. The issue is she uses this assistant for both business and personal, so can she deduct the entire salary for this assistant on her business expenses? So let's hear your opinions on that. Then in Connect, we have the Learn Smarts for Chapter 9. We have the multiple choice for Chapter 9. We have problems for Chapter 9, but we have 3 problems this time. Then we have a final project. And we have a tax return to fill out for Bob and Melissa Grant, and then that will need to be put into the Dropbox. Now the instructions here for this project, if you will go up under Resources, Content, and then come over here to the course documents. There are instructions for the week 5 assignment, so you can click on that and it will give you all of the information needed to fill out the tax return for Bob and Melissa Grant. Now the instructions point you back to Connect to find the blank documents, but if we go back out here to the home page, I've already downloaded and put them here. They're not all that easy to find and connect, so I put them here just to make it easier for you. There are some 17 as well as 18 forms, and you'll need to fill those out, save them, and then come back and put them in the Dropbox. So it's been a pleasure having you all in Income Tax 1. I think every one of you are enrolled in Income Tax 2 that we will pick up as soon as this is over, and I will be your instructor there as well. So I'll get another 5 weeks with you. So good luck on your final project, and if you have any questions or need additional time, do not hesitate to reach out to me.